Okay. So, anywho, I wanted to give a demonstration of a shirt that I actually bought in New York not too long ago. Okay. See the shirt, right? So, take another look at it. Boom. Okay, the thing about this shirt is it actually lights up when it hears sounds. As you can see, it actually lights up. So, I'm going to turn the light on and you get a better look at it. I'm going to play some music. Imagine that at a rave party with glow sticks. That is all.